Hello everyone! Are you looking for a smart and efficient way to manage your business communications? Well, I've got just the solution for you. Welcome to Masszap, a powerful, subscription-based digital tool that makes bulk SMS, WhatsApp, and email campaigns as simple as clicking a button. Whether you're a small business or a big enterprise, Masszap has everything you need to streamline your communication process. Let me show you how it works. It's quick, easy, and trust me, super exciting. First things first, logging in. Once you've signed up, just enter your credentials and you're in. Masszap keeps it straightforward, so no wasting time. Welcome to the dashboard. Think of this as your command center. Here you'll see all the stats you need at a glance, how many SMS, WhatsApp, and email messages you've sent, how many are left in your plan, and even campaign performance. It's all based on the subscription plan you choose. It's clean, organized, and gives you total control. Speaking of subscriptions, let's take a quick look at the subscription logs. This section shows you all the details about your plan, what's included, your message limits, and your current usage. And hey, if you ever need to upgrade, it's just a click away. The plans start at an affordable 2,999 Indian rupees, with customization options available. Here's where you can create and manage your contact groups, add contact details, assign attributes, and even import your audience list from a CSV file. It's super handy for keeping everything in one place and making sure your messages reach the right people. Now comes the heart of Masszap, the communication hub. This is where you plan and schedule all your messages. For example, with SMS, you can choose the send option that fits your need, select the gateway type and SMS type, use a pre-designed template or write your own, and schedule it to go out at just the right time. Plus, you can track the history of all your scheduled messages. And guess what? It works the same way for WhatsApp and email messages too. Isn't that amazing? But wait, there's more. Do you wish to turn your communication into sales? Masszap lets you plan and run marketing campaigns with ease. Here's how. Click Add New Campaign. Choose your target audience from your contact groups or import a CSV file. Write your message, use a template, or even record it. Set the schedule, repeat intervals, and sending method. And just like that, your campaign is ready to go live. Simple, efficient, and incredibly effective. To make things even faster, Masszap offers customizable message templates. Whether it's an SMS, WhatsApp, or email, you can create templates that match your business style. Say goodbye to repetitive typing and hello to professional, consistent communication. Now, let's look at the logs and reports section. This is where you'll find all your transaction logs, payment history, and credit usage. It's perfect for staying on top of your campaigns and tracking your spending. And finally, Masszap ensures you have all the support you need. Under the support and developer options, you'll find resources, FAQs, and integration tools to help you work smoothly. Whatever your business needs, Masszap has got your back. So there you have it, Masszap, your one-stop digital tool for bulk SMS, WhatsApp, and email campaigns. With features like contact management, communication hubs, campaign planning, and detailed reports, it's designed to save you time, effort, and money. Starting at just 2,999 Indian rupees, it's an investment you won't regret. So what are you waiting for? Head over to masszap.com, sign up today, and take your business communication to the next level. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends too. Sign up today and take control of your business communication with Masszap today.